Welcome to Bright's Market Minutes. I'm Dr. Lisa Sturdivant, Bright MLS Chief Economist. In a typical housing market, April is one of the busiest months of the year. But this year, however, elevated mortgage rates and a cooling economy generally have led to a slower, less certain housing market. Sales activity is lower than it would be during a typical spring market, and prices have come down from the peak levels. So what are three things to watch in this unusual spring market? First, let's talk about home prices. In April, the median home price for the Mid-Atlantic fell very modestly. It fell by less than 1%, but it fell for the first time after 86 consecutive months of year-over-year price gains. Higher mortgage rates have eroded buyers' purchasing power, but it's actually a mixed picture when you look across the region. Prices fell in the Washington, D.C. metro area, though in other markets across the region, prices are still rising or they've stabilized. Second is inventory. For the past 6 months or so, we've been seeing the available supply of homes increase. This month, however, the number of active listings in the Mid-Atlantic was only up 5.9% compared to a year ago. And in some markets, we're seeing active listings declining again. So supply is still very constrained. We have only about a third of the level of inventory we had back in 2019. And that low inventory is the key reason we don't expect major price drops in the region. Third, let's look at days on market, because despite the macro signals that this is a slow housing market, buyers who are in the market might disagree. Homes are selling very quickly. The median days on market in April was 8, meaning that half of all homes that sold in 8 days or less. I expect that this spring market will continue to be more subdued than a typical spring. And I also think that we'll have a longer tail to this spring market. That is, we won't see a return to well-defined seasonal patterns in the market. Buyers and sellers are watching interest rates, they're watching signals from the overall economy, and frankly, they may be more attuned to financial indicators than to dates on the calendar. That's it for this month's Market Minutes. Check out Bright's April 2023 Housing Market Report on Bright MLS website. This month, in addition to the 3 biggest metros in the Mid-Atlantic, we're reporting out statistics and providing analysis for our other regions, from the Maryland, West Virginia Panhandle to Southern Maryland to Central Virginia. We've got them all. And don't forget to register for our monthly housing market webinar. The next one is Thursday, May 18th. I will see you next month.